Josie has 3 packs of beads. Each pack has 22 beads inside. She will use the beads to make as many necklaces as possible. Each necklace uses 9 beads. How many beads will be left over? First, let's figure out how many beads she has. She has 3 packs, and each pack has 22 beads inside. So the amount of beads Josie is going to have is going to be 3 groups of 22. So I'll do 3 times 22, or 22 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6, so there's 66 total beads. Now, each necklace uses 9 beads. So after she's done making all the beads, how many beads will be left over? Well, to find out how many necklaces will be made and to find out how many will be left over, we are going to divide. So 66 divided by 9 is going to give us a number for how many necklaces will be made and how many beads will be left over. So let's set that up over here. Okay, 9 goes into 66. And then we just do regular old long division. 9 goes into 66, let me think, 7 total times. Because 7 times 9 is 63. Now we subtract. And 66 minus 63 is 3. With no more numbers to drop down, that 3 is our remainder. So if you're going to have 66 beads and each necklace gets 9 of them, we can make 7 necklaces. That's not what they're asking. They're asking how many beads will be left over. The remainder gives us the leftover, so there will be 3 beads left over. And that's our answer.